everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get iPhone emojis on Android device. So first of all, just open the Play Store application on your mobile, and in the search bar you have to search for this Z Phone 3, and you have to download this Z Phone 3 application on your mobile. I've downloaded already, so I'm just going to tap on this open just like any other app, and now you will see this window will pop up for you, and from here you will see many options. You have to scroll down until you see emojis, like you can see that. So you have to tap on this iOS 16, click on it, you will see this ad, just tap to cross. Now all you have to do is you can go ahead and kind of scroll through everywhere you want to, but you have to click on this download button. We have little download button right over here. I have downloaded already. I have this apply button. So after downloaded, you will see this apply button. So tap on this apply, and at this point you have to select this auto recommended option. So just click on it. So you can see that it's done. And now if I go to text message and tap on these emojis, and you will see there are a lot of new emojis, iPhone emojis. So that's it for this video. That's how you can get iPhone emojis on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.